Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the display board on a Samsung range. Uh, this is not working at all, but if you have problems to turn it on the oven or the display is not working properly, this is the best way to do it. Just disconnect the electrical connection and then open the oven, and then there's 4 screws underneath that you need to remove. And just be careful because this might slide out and fall. There you go. I got the 4 screws ready out, and then just try to
Lo quitamos.
very careful. Don't pull it out too hard. The problem with this one, it was this electrical connector right here. It just came off. That's why it's not working at all. This one right here, that's supposed to go there. So it's unwelded and there's no way to fix it. So we're gonna go ahead and order the part in a minute. But that was the problem. Be careful, just unplug everything nicely, gently, because you might break another one. So you never know. Alright, this is the display board or assembly module from Samsung. This is the little part that I was talking about. It's a connector. That's why the board wasn't turned on at all. It was right here. It was placed right there. See? So we're gonna go ahead and replace the order the part, but remove the screws and the connections from the board, and then we're gonna take a look closely in a minute. So where we can find the part number. So here's where the bad part. It's supposed to be like that, but unfortunately it's not working anymore. So when I have to order, this is the part number right here, and I'm gonna type it on Google, and then I always like to go to eBay. They got better prices than Amazon. I don't know. I just like prefer eBay than Amazon. So here's the part number for it, and I'll go to eBay, and then I'm gonna order the part right here. I'm gonna just paste the part number. Here's the part number. And then I have 2 different options. So I'm just gonna order the cheap one, which was this is 214. That's 165. So I'm gonna order the 165 because it's new. There's some used ones, but I don't wanna take the chance. So I just received the new one from eBay for a couple days. I always order all my parts on eBay, so I just love eBay. It's easier and faster. All right, here it is, the part. So I'm gonna go ahead and just compare it, make sure it's the same one, has everything, all the connectors, and then just take a look closely, make sure. See, that's the right part right here. That was the damaged part of the other board. So I'm gonna go ahead and just replace it. Just make sure to remove the plastic top, because it's on the board, because it's new, the display is new, so you're gonna remove this plastic cover. Okay, place it, and then always very gently, because you may damage any connection. Okay, so do it very, very careful. So if you have a problem with the oven, so some of the buttons they're not working properly, probably one of these you had to replace the board, or you just take a look closely, see what's the damaged part. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So like I say, very be careful and make sure the electric it's not hooked up, there's no power to the range, so disconnect everything before install the part. Alright, just make sure make sure you got the right way, because I think I have just the opposite, the wrong way. Okay, so just do it here and do it there. There's no way you can miss a connection, because there everything goes where they had to go. Right here, very gently just put it back on the part, and it's pretty easy, you know. It's just the part that is expensive. So I just put the 4 screws underneath, and then yeah, just make sure everything close well. If there's anything on the way, you know, just inspection everything. Cool. I'm gonna move it up the wrench back to its place and connect the electrical plug. Now, as you can see right here, now it's working properly. You can see right here the display is on. I'm gonna go ahead and change the time and try it out. I'm gonna do preheat settings for the oven. It's working now, as you can see. Yeah, it's warming up, so we're good. Yeah, so that's the if you have any problem with the display or assembly module, you just gotta replace the whole board. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and have a great day. And any questions, just let me know. We're here to help.